Dem no dey tell tortoise say race don start. Dem no dey tell blind man say salt no dey food o. My people, time don reach make we torchlight wetin dey shele inside we local government. Why e be say local government no dey again? Wetin dey shele for inside we local government administration, plus including wetin we fit do to columbi back our local government so that we fit enjoy our local government and we community so e go better again. This na why we bring una this ogbonge program we dey call am public intel. This program we go dey enter the public with politics, economy, security and even food security, plus including other sengemenge issues wey concern us. Public intel go dey come your domot for every Wednesday for 7 o'clock for evening, come go reach 7:30 on top Aso Radio 93.5 FM Abuja. Make una no miss am o, make una no miss am o. Make una come make we join body, gun body, put body together because Naija na we country and na we go make am work o.
The land is green, it's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? I can see all the harvest is ready, 'cause he told me so. It's green and it's all mine. As the clouds go gray, the thunder roars and the earth sings. The season's just beginning. Sunlight it hides as the clouds make way for the pouring of my blessings. I will not be afraid. I see it now, I understand, I know, so I embrace it. Dance in the rain, it's for my seed to grow. For every prayer and every seed I've sown, Lord of the harvest knows I'm reaping back 100-fold. The land is green, it's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? The harvest is ready, 'cause the Lord of the harvest told me so. It's green for me. It's green for me. Standing alone can be a heavy load, but my vows I won't be breaking. Though my heart is aching, I got a word and I won't let go. It's your will I'm seeking, so I keep on believing. I see it now, I understand, I know, so I embrace it. Dance once again, it's time for me to grow. For every prayer and every tear I've sown, Lord of the harvest knows I'm reaping joy 100-fold. The land is green, it's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? The harvest is ready, 'cause the Lord of the harvest told me so. It's green for me. I thought it was over, thought you were done with me, but we're just beginning. Whoa, my life is a journey. I will walk with you, I will go where you want me to. Yes, I will go. Come on. Yeah.
the land don't dey green. This na another day to buckle our shoe and explore better topic. We go open our mind for agriculture. My name is Dakore Ependu, your main babe for security matter we concern we people for we local government area. If you check your time now, it don't work up past 7 p.m. and we there for we studio live and direct for Aso Radio 93.5 FM Abuja. We could go on a very short break. When we come back, we go bring our guest come on air, making talk with carry come for studio today.
Did you know that genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are safe and do not pose any risk, hazard, or danger to human, animal, and the environment? Neither do they cause cancer, infertility, sterility, tumor, or any adversity. There is safe use of GMO drugs like insulin, vaccine, rapid diagnostic test kits for malaria, HIV, hepatitis, and so on. The safety of GMOs is certified by the World Health Organization, WHO, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, the National Academies of Science globally, the Royal Society, UK, and over 110 prize Nobel laureates and over 5,000 students. GMOs are safe, effective, and certified by MBMA in Nigeria. This message is brought to you by the National Biotechnology Development Agency, NABDA.
Alright, welcome back from that very short break. My name is still Dakore Ekpendu. My name never changed. And this now public intel for Aso Radio 93.5 FM Abuja. Public intel na that ogbonge program where they totally your mind and ear for matter wey concern security for we local communities. This period we dey talk about food security, now wetin we just concentrate on since last week. And I know they alone, I dey with Collins Ajibola. Oh yeah, Collins, talk to them. Make my shake this safe.
As they talk, they say pot wey black, from inside, white rice they come out. And that is why we go continue to dey talk about wetin food they play when it comes to belle for we country, Nigeria, and for country people.
True talk, Collins don't talk, and he said the journey of 1,000 miles. You better make you just go airport, make you just go enter plane. That one means say, at all. Make you just find solution for yourself. Yes, we don't need to do the traditional farming and all of that. But today, since last week, in fact, we don't say, okay, this whole technology about agriculture, waiting in mean. Now you make us to say, today we'll go bring another guest come for we studio. Yes, we get Dr. Andrew Illoh for we studio right now with us. And this Dr. Andrew now be the scientist in Biotechnology Advanced Research Center. That means say inside there with Shedder Science and Technology Complex for Abuja here. So anywhere where you did they hear us like this, we get correct person for we studio. Dr. Andrew, Beck, say hello to the people they listen.
My people, una well done, una do.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, we could talk a little bit about this institute. Now, it with Federal Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. Now they carry out advanced research for biotechnology. You know, when you talk about all those biology, chemistry, physics, and advanced mathematics, hey, we get mathematician for this place. So, anyways, maybe someone will call and they ask 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus. Happy? No call and ask. Yes, today we want to talk about agriculture and we want to talk about that new technology where they make agriculture better for our life. Dr. Andrew, how long you don't become research, advanced researcher for this institute where you doing?
Thank you very much. You don't tell, be like say you don't reach 18 years where I don't do this work.
18 years.
Yeah, and we still young and we still go to do the work for the betterment of Nigeria, our Nigeria.
You do well.
Thank you.
Do. Okay, what we want to talk about today now, addressing food waste. Through biotechnology, you know, this whole innovative solution and for sustainable food system or development, even for Nigeria and Africa as a whole. I want to ask you, what will be this food waste?
Correct. You know, say we in Nigeria, especially we in Nigeria, we too like food. Mm-hmm. With all of us, they go party. You go see person for party. Mm-hmm. You go say, I beg, give me small white rice or jollof. Give me small fried rice. Mm-hmm. Come out meat from stew. Mm-hmm. Put vegetable. put this in plate, go come full well. But if you chop, you go chop half. The remaining one, where that one they go, now inside dustbin. That's now what we call food waste. That's now one aspect. The other aspect be say, farmer, we don't harvest. We all of us go still remember when orange time come now. Orange go jeprata for the whole Nigeria. But the problem is say after some time you go see them full for street for road for dump site. All of them don't spoil. That one too now food waste. So food waste they in different forms. And the Obonge food organization, what did they call Food and Agriculture Organization, don't talk say food waste now the third most thing where they cause food emission be say all those gas with the enter inside where our environment don't spoil finish. Food waste now be the third or fourth of the thing where they cause all those problems where our environment no be August with this so August when I small they go say August break but this time around the August now in the rain they even they fall pass now all those things now in our environment our climate don't they do head baka because say things don't change emissions gases all those gases we no suppose the environment don't the environment so food waste they follow for the way they cause all those things.
Okay, now, doctor, you don't talk actually waiting people will want here. Say even food waste, good make with the waste food. If I just want summarize them. So maybe when you go party, if you don't chop, you don't believe food, just carry nylon, carry black so that they don't go see what's in the inside. And how technology don't contribute to help make to the waste food for the country because now when you talk sometimes go feel even carry some food because if you go party for instance now go they use party you go test some rice where some day different where Maggi day different.
that one now you go that whole chef we cook that one responsible. Anyway, but the technology where we they talk about today be what we they call biotechnology. I they like to they define or to they talk about biotechnology as simple as we they put technology inside biology. Very make our layman people putting technology or using technology in biology. And what it be that thing means say for as we even did the studio, all these things where they galvanize us, the way people they hear us for outside, now technology. So now the same technology where we put for all those things, now we say we add them to biology. Now when it comes to food, in terms of food, I give two scenarios. I give the first scenario where I give na scenario of party food and all those things, and I can't give another scenario of harvest, post-harvest loss. So make I take them one by one. Make I start with the post-harvest one, the one where they post-harvest one. Now, if we use biotechnology, get crops, we go fit withstand storage issues, where we go fit rearrange some of the things inside the body of the plant. And those kind of things where they inside the body of the plant now like what they call DNA. As me and as you resemble your papa or you resemble your mama now because they share DNA. And that same DNA they every living thing, including plant, including microorganism. So our ability to be able to work on the DNA of that particular plant, make it get resistance to spoilage. Now it go help our plants our crops take withstand post-harvest loss. That now one. Okay. The other aspect, this one no go waste time. The other aspect be food. We go use genetically modified organisms, make they even degrade those food, those plenty food, degrade them sharp. We go get use and take the products go come be waiting we go take generate energy. That's now one aspect of it. Generate other products, generate like enzymes and other industrial process. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Now you don't talk about resistance with this your technology and all of that. Okay. I want to ask you for Africa now as we did like this. You get any innovation where we say this biotechnology don't be successful for regarding food waste? You get anything I don't do? But now fit to say okay, this one are the perfect example where they for this topic what they talk about.
Make we not go for Africa too far. Okay. Make we talk with we do for Nigeria because I they like to always talk about we own. I the first talk we own before I go talk about other people own. Okay. Now for Nigeria, Now we in the whole world don't develop what we they call beans. Beans where they resistant to insects. And you know say insects they affect beans well. The reason why our beans no they fit go export now be said most part they use many pesticides they do am.
Wait,
yes.
Make I understand you well.
Yes.
These beans now they chop for house. You know, say sometimes if we get beans for house, after like 2 months, you go begin to see insects inside the beans.
Yes.
Those weevil, what you go they annoy person. You go even enter your rice self. You know, say that our mother go say if you know one say that may you put pepper inside your beans.
Exactly. We
now
don't.
they try to tell us now and say the beans now where this GMO.
Yeah, what the
successful.
Exactly.
You know go fit carry that kind of insect.
No, you know go fit. But again, no be say you know go fit. Carry make you go use your hand chook say electricity you don't get waiting they stop electricity now you go chook your hand put make electricity you go shock you now no be so it go still shock you so in as much as they don't develop that thing say the beans don't they resistant to insects whether on the field or for storage we need to also be very cautious about the whole thing but the thing be say the beauty of this thing be say now we Nigeria now into one. And it and not be say just do one today. It don't reach over 15 years. Because you know say science no be today thing. You know, now either after one process or the other, now science they follow. Before at the end we'll come get breakthrough. Even people who do electricity, do car, they don't just do them. They don't they research.
True. This thing a better thing, no, because me I know say for my own house, I don't throw away beans where we would day. The thing eat the beans so I just ask myself, so what I want is this one do? If I eat and if it become poison to my body. Honestly speaking, so you mean say technology do be say if you get beans, these things no go even come with them.
Of course, and that beans we do they call them PBR cowpea. What do they call them? Say now pest resistant cowpea. So he don't that's now I don't want go far because it better make we they talk and because they say seeing is believing now waiting we don't do for we Nigeria now we Nigerians go use and the beauty of all these beans for example we say it just look like normal beans. Nothing changed. The only thing we changed for inside we said he get that resistant to insects. Chicken now only that thing he gets.
He did it for fire.
You know the same thing the way you go cook your normal beans. In fact, if you even cook more chop and self, not good.
Okay. Now we say don't talk about beans. We'll talk about other perishable goods. When I don't do and say for that like tomatoes, pineapple, all those.
Perfect.
Things.
Thank you, my sister. You know, remember I talk say science no be today. No be they no go just snap your finger.
Okay.
Science thing go don't happen. As I talk to you now, different researches they go on for different places. For different research institutes where people they look into all the like I remember I talk say food waste now the third most valuable emission thing where they bring out emission methane gas. So it's very important all over the world. So different people don't they look at you know how you go take do not just to preserve shelf life, but for example orange when you reach the time for orange how we want to take use engineering, the genetic engineering, take improve or develop products because the most important thing be say make we develop products. Today now the people you go to hear their slogan Nigeria they import. Even you know, but if we use those technology, take redevelop that orange, we go can't get new products. Apart from the orange we don't spoil, you know go see for the orange self no go even reach. To do the product. I know, and like I talked before, say this research no be one day thing. It is ongoing, but I can assure you that the scientists one day we go reach our promised land.
Okay, all right. We'll go on a very short break. When we come back, we sit there with Dr. Andrew Illoh, and he's going to tell us many things about this whole new technology way there for agriculture. Don't forget, say food security. Now, one area where we're supposed to put our eye down. Gidigba, no could fit they understand all of these things where they happen for we economy. Like for me, I know one day hungry, but for now, I dey hungry for one short break. We could go for a very short break. When we come back, we'll continue our conversation.
Did you know that genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are safe and do not pose any risk, hazard, or danger to human, animal, and the environment? Neither do they cause cancer, infertility, sterility, tumor, or any adversity. There is safe use of GMO drugs like insulin, vaccine, rapid diagnostic test kits for malaria, HIV, hepatitis, and so on. The safety of GMOs is certified by the World Health Organization, WHO, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, the National Academies of Science globally, the Royal Society, UK, and over 110 prize Nobel laureates and over 5,000 students. GMOs are safe, effective, and certified by MBMA in Nigeria. This message is brought to you by the National Biotechnology Development Agency, NABDA.
Alright, so time don't reach for us. Mukupaka Akaya, come up for studio. Here's my name is still Dakore Ekpendu and Dr. Andrew. In there with us for studio, but I would like making say one or two things so that we could just round up.
Thank you. My people for this our country, Nigeria. We know say everything he say he don't hurt, but I know say he go better for all of us.
Amen.
My own be say make all of us join hand, make we take develop our country, Nigeria. This now the only place where we get. And I can assure us say the technology where we talk about go benefit us and it go help our country grow. Thank you.
And of course, I still remain Dakore, and this now public intel. And my personal person, make I do shake for us.
My name remains Colin. There's a person who put hand for waste. Now you see the journey from when you start from.
Alright, right, so they for bottom pot today, go down top of cooler tomorrow. Make no worry, biotechnology is coming to stay. Una bye bye.
Dem no dey tell tortoise say race don start. Dem no dey tell blind man say salt no dey food o. My people, time don reach make we touch like wetin dey shele inside we local government. Why e be say local government no dey again? Wetin dey shele for inside we local government administration, plus including wetin we fit do to Colombia back our local government so that we fit enjoy our local government and we community so e go better again. This na why we bring una this ogbonge program we dey call am public intel. This program we go dey enter the public with politics, economy, security, and even food security, plus including other sengemenge issues wey concern us. Public intel go dey come your domot for every Wednesday for 7 o'clock for evening, come go reach 7:30 on top Aso Radio 93.5 FM Abuja. Make una no miss am o. Make una no miss am o. Make una come make we join body, gun body, put body together because Naija na we country and na we